Hello foodies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cook bitter melon with chicken. This delightful dish combines tender chicken pieces with a unique and slightly bitter taste of fresh bitter melon. If you have these ingredients at home, you are ready to go. First, what we need to do is remove the seeds and cut bitter melon into thin slices. Put sliced bitter melon into salt water and let it be there around 15 minutes. Then we need to cut chicken into thin pieces. After that, slice onions, garlic and green chilies. Now we need to get bitter melon out of salt water. Then we can heat oil in a pan and fry bitter melon in it. It doesn't need to deep fry, just fry them until they become tender. Get bitter melon out of the pan and add garlic into the same pan. When garlic is fried enough, add sliced onions and saute around 2 to 3 minutes. Now add green chilies, curry leaves and chicken. Then add pepper powder, chili pieces and salt as per your taste. We need to cook this until chicken cooks fully. When chicken is cooked enough, we can add soy sauce and chili sauce. Finally add bitter melon and cook around 2 more minutes. Hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. See you soon with another delicious one.